how to withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Payoneer to your bank account. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, the first thing you want to do is log into your Payoneer account on your web browser. Over here, navigate to the withdraw and transfer section on the left side of the screen. After that, select withdraw to bank. Then click on add bank account. Now you will need to provide your bank details. Begin by selecting the type of bank account, whether it is personal or business. Next, choose the country where your bank is located and the currency of your bank account. Click Next to proceed. Now input your bank's name, your name as it appears on the account, and your IBAN. Additionally, select the type of identification you are using and enter its details, such as your computerized national identity card. After reviewing and agreeing to the terms and conditions, click Next. You will then be prompted to enter your date of birth and your Payoneer password for verification purposes. Once all the required information is provided, click on Add Bank Account to complete the process. So that is how you can withdraw money from Payoneer to your bank account. That's all for this video.